Alright, so I'm up in Sapa, a lot higher than I usually film, and I wanted to show you this. Absolutely beautiful. So this is a look at some of the rice paddies up close. Now there's a certain month where they change colors. I'm not sure when that is. But yeah, you can see that there's been a lot of flooding. The whole road up here, it's just been debris and rubble and me having to dodge dirt. Like look at this landslide right here. You can see where the rocks just kind of fell to the ground here. The whole trip up here has been like that. So it's been pretty treacherous, but yeah, it is beautiful. The sad thing is I passed all these buses. Now I have to pass them all again. Ugh. Right during when everybody's getting off work. And look, that valley just goes on into the distance there. The little stream right there. I don't know what it is. There's something really beautiful about this, you know? Let me get a cool picture for it. Alright, I'm not going to stay too long here because you see how busy the traffic is, and I got to get back down the mountain. But I saw this spot and I saw a waterfall, so I'm going to stop at the waterfall and show you this spot if it's not too crazy and busy. But just one more look here. I can't zoom in because I did the camera the other way, but I hope it gives you like a feel up close what a rice paddy looks like. And it's almost to the part in the lunar calendar where it's going to turn colors. And there's like 1 month where they turn this beautiful color where everybody, you know, says that you're supposed to see them. I've been up here 3 years and I've never seen them that color. Today is actually the anniversary of my 2 year, 6 month mark being here. So, all right. Love you, Sapa. That's going up to Sapa right there. But yeah. Alright, see you guys later. We have a lot of racing and catching up to do, so let's get it. Okay.